you'd have to always have her in front of you because she would ski like.
Yeah, exactly. You nearly fell.